Considering the later maintenance cost of the air dust removal equipment, the baghouse dust collector can be selected. The service life of the filter bag is long and the replacement cost is low. The baghouse dust collector is divided into long bag of line pulse filter, single-stage bag filter, low-pressure jet pulse bag filter, and airbox pulse bag filter. The baghouse dust collector consists of a box, a bag chamber, an ash hopper, and an air inlet and outlet. The dust collector can remove the ash by pulse. It has the advantages of large ash removal kinetic energy, high ash removal efficiency, simple installation and operation, and convenient maintenance. It is widely used for purifying dust-containing gas in building materials, metallurgy, mining, coal, and other industries.